Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star resort.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the property and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, resort location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay.
Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb.
Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Room category 7. Room category 10. Ten categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Pets are not allowed in this resort.
The location of the resort is fine and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings.
The resort accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this resort is 2 p.m. and the check-out time is 12 p.m.
Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this resort, along with various payments and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
If you have already visited this resort, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming resort. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.